Hi guys, I hope you are doing safe and sound. Since NIFT exam is coming, I thought why not to give some tips on the CAT part of the exam for BDES and MDES. So of course there's a huge section of color grid or color psychology that might come in the exam or that has been coming for the exam, where some emotions are represented through color, and we all know that every color has some meaning. So if these kind of questions come, remember that there is some emotion that is universally accepted for color psychology for each color. For example, for growth it's green, for anger it's red, for bold it is black, for peace it is white, magic or mystery is represented by purple. For festival we use a lot of bright colors. For depression or sadness we use gray, dark gray, black, pale blue. If yellow is for brightness, then yellow is also for sickness. Green is for jealous. Pink is used for femininity. Blue is used for responsibility. Brown is a very earthy color, so you can use it for honest and trust. So make sure whenever you are representing it in a grid form or depicting colors through emotions, that you are using a lot of lines, shapes, textures. You are keeping in mind the pattern, and only abstract representation will work. I hope this tip helps you. If you want to join our classes, please reach out to the below number. Thank you.